Let's make things clear. We're here to take an honest look at nuclear, its capabilities, and its contribution to a more sustainable energy network. Nuclear has had an ever-increasing role in our lives since Becquerel discovered radioactivity in 1896. So how does it work? Nuclear energy uses materials such as uranium, which release energy when it's split into smaller elements. Uranium is mined, which means that it's not a renewable energy source, but it is extremely common in the Earth's crust, meaning that it can be treated as sustainable. Importantly, it releases zero carbon emissions when producing electricity, like renewable sources of electricity. If we compare it to the amount of material needed to generate energy, 1 kilogram of nuclear fuel produces millions of times more energy than 1 kilogram of coal. To put that into perspective, a kilogram of coal would power a 40-watt light bulb for 6 days. A kilogram of uranium would power the same bulb for over 1,000 years. The process of generating energy in nuclear power is called nuclear fission, which begins by colliding an atom of uranium with a neutron. It is then split into 2 or more fragments and releases a large amount of energy. During this reaction, more neutrons are ejected, which cause further divisions, and thus more energy. This is called chain reaction. The heat from this reaction boils water to produce steam that drives turbines to create electricity. In a nuclear reactor, water and graphite are used to slow down these neutrons to control the chain reaction.